Dear friends, the Jews have secretly dug tunnels beneath the Al-Aqsa wall and identified what they claim to be the location of Prophet Sulaiman's alayhis salam ancient temple, over 3,000 years old. And now, they are trying to bring out the Ark of the Covenant. But the question is, are these just rumors? Or is something truly unfolding behind the scenes that could shake the future of the entire world? Is this merely a historical excavation? Or is it linked to something far greater? Perhaps even the signs of the end times. In today's video, we'll reveal shocking facts you may have never heard before. So don't skip a second. Watch till the end. And if you find it valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Assalamu alaikum, respected viewers. This section gives a simplified explanation of a great prophecy related to the end of the world. In this first chapter, we will explore who was Prophet Sulaiman alayhis salam and why did Allah choose him for such a unique mission. At a time when the world was boiling in idolatry and spiritual loss, a prophet unlike any other appeared. He was not only a prophet, but also a mighty king. He embodied both wisdom and revelation, spiritual light and the strength of the sword. He was a symbol not just of faith, but of leadership and justice. He was Sulaiman alayhis salam, son of Prophet Dawood alayhis salam. Allah granted him not just a kingdom, but a miraculous knowledge. He understood the language of birds. The jinn served under his command. The wind and animals obeyed him. Even soldiers from other realms were assigned to him. His throne would tremble at a single word. His army moved at his command. Yet Sulaiman alayhis salam was not satisfied with just power. He dreamed of building the greatest house of Allah on earth, a sacred place where souls would perform pilgrimage, prayers would be established, and justice would reign. This was the legendary construction, the temple. The construction of the temple, a heavenly project being carried out on earth. Imagine this scene, flames burning atop mountains through sleepless nights, the sounds of chiseling stone and smelting gold echoing in the air. The jinn work silently, unseen, digging deep into the earth, carving massive stones, retrieving gold from the southern depths, and importing cedar wood from the mountains of Lebanon. The Prophet Sulaiman alayhis salam personally oversaw every detail. Because this was no ordinary temple, he was building a house that Allah himself had willed, a place that united the knowledge of the heavens and the earth. The structure of the temple was nearly mythical. Deep within it lay the Holy of Holies, Quds al-Aqdas, a dark room where only the high priest could enter, and only once a year. There stood the golden menorah, the altar of incense, and vessels made of pure gold. And in the very center of that chamber was placed the most precious and mysterious artifact in sacred history, the Ark of the Covenant. It was believed to be guarded by angels and surrounded by a divine light descending from the heavens. The Ark of the Covenant, a legendary heavenly weapon. This is the sacred chest that still puzzles the world. The Quran clearly refers to it. There will come to you the Ark, containing peace and reassurance from your Lord. Other scriptures state that inside this chest were the stone tablets of Musa alayhis salam, the staff of Harun alayhis salam, and a supernatural spiritual force. It was carried ahead of armies, and enemy forces would collapse. But anyone who touched it without permission would be destroyed instantly. But in 586 BCE, when King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon destroyed Jerusalem, the temple was burned down, and from that moment, the Ark of the Covenant disappeared. Since then, no one has seen it. The rise of legends and the scattering of history's pages. Since the disappearance of the Ark, the world has been hunting for it. Many theories arose. Some say the priests hid it in a secret tunnel beneath the temple before the Babylonian invasion. Others say it was secretly taken to the Dead Sea Caves, or even the island of Philae in Egypt. Another group claims it was moved to Ethiopia and is still hidden inside a sealed church that no one is allowed to enter. But none of these claims are certain. In the 20th century, mysterious organizations began to emerge, like the Third Temple Organization and so-called archaeological societies whose true purpose wasn't archaeology, but finding one thing: the lost temple and the Ark of the Covenant. Excavations under Al-aqsa, a hidden truth no one dares to speak. Beneath today's Al-Aqsa Mosque lies a network of tunnels. At least 21 of them have been discovered. Some extend dozens of meters in length, and others go deeper than 20 meters underground. The declared purpose is archaeological research, but the true goal is to locate the Holy of Holies, the lost temple, and the Ark of the Covenant. From one tunnel, believed to be the deepest, a square chamber has been revealed, with walls made of ancient stone. In its center lies a massive box-like object, matching the exact description of the Ark. The question is, could this be the long-lost Ark? And are they now planning to bring it out publicly? Some ask, why now? And who is behind this secretive mission? It's no longer a complete secret. The David Organization and the Temple Mount Foundation are involved. Evangelical Christians from the U.S. are funding the project, believing that rebuilding the temple will hasten the return of the Messiah. Some secret Masonic groups also support the plan, seeing the temple as a gateway to a new age. Reports even claim that Mossad oversees the deeper operations to avoid Arab or Muslim interference. Their true goal? To retrieve the Ark of the Covenant and build the Third Temple, even if that means destroying Al-Aqsa Mosque. According to Islamic traditions, the Ark of the Covenant will reappear at the end of times, during the arrival of Imam Mahdi. It will be a symbol of reassurance and conviction for his followers. In Jewish belief, their awaited Messiah, the Mashiach, will not appear until the Third Temple is rebuilt and the Ark is placed within it. In Christianity, the appearance of the Ark signals a devastating war around it. Thus, all three faiths' prophecies converge at one focal point: the Temple Mount and the Ark of the Covenant. It's a terrifying crossroad where Imam Mahdi, the Messiah, and the Antichrist might all collide. As the sun sets over Jerusalem, stones are being unearthed underground. Dim lights flicker in the dark. Silent excavators work at night. Scanners search for just one thing: Prophet Sulaiman's alayhis salam temple and the Quranic Tabut al-Sakina. The truth buried for thousands of years is now starting to move. We might be the generation that witnesses events which occur only once every 3,000 years. So, what do you think? Have they really found the Ark of the Covenant? And is the Antichrist behind the Temple project? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe. The next episode will be the most terrifying of all.